Consistency is the most important thing for us here at Meals. We want to make sure that week over week that our clients are getting exactly what they're expecting, but also if they have their favorite meal on week 2, the next time that week 2 menu comes around, it's the same exact thing. Having connected cooking makes your life easier as a chef because there's a lot of information on there. Obviously you could type a recipe in and then it'll essentially spit out recipes globally. So when we're creating a recipe or testing out something, we can update it on the actual app itself and then transfer it right away. Or if we're doing a change, midday because the steak is a little bit more wet or the carrots have a little bit more sugar, we can actually adjust it in that moment. And it's just easier to make sure that all the recipes are set in stone and very consistent and organized and in order to make everyone's life easier here. I can literally use connected cooking from anywhere. I can be on vacation in Mexico sipping mojitos, and if someone messages me being like, Jeff, this isn't in the system, but I do have the information in my notes on my phone, I can then just pull up my notes and I can update the recipe and then transfer it from another continent.